please click the link in the bio and follow the official Instagram page. Interact with me over there. So let's go. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here for another episode of Franklin Stories, and today I do something different. As you can see, my face. Hi guys, wagwan. I put my face on the camera for the first time. If you watch the episode here for the first time, I don't normally play like this, but anyway, let's just jump straight into it. Before we do anything else, people, me just telling you, I'm not gonna shout out another one, yeah. I'm just telling you, thanks for being here. Franklin, I rub him on. Franklin ready for go. So in another episode, what I'm gonna try though is do a taxi thing and see how that goes. So I'm gonna call a taxi and run some taxi, and then go from there. So obviously, you know, so when the taxi man come, I go drag him out.
Can I get a cab?
I'm bad.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, send the driver forward. Remember, they can take him out time things like a my one. You see it? Yeah. So people, thanks for being here. If you watch this, I'm probably in process of setting up my PC. My PC thing is soon ready. My screen in there already. Just wait for my next part for forward. So probably it even forward already. But by the time I put out that video, so just know that. Oh, taxi. Oh God, I nearly miss it. Come there, start chat. Come out. He's out. No. Hijack. Get out. OUT. You want to fight feet too? You want to fight feet? You want to fight for people things? Are you hear one? Eh? Come here. Hey boy, you have to run faster than that. Run! R-U-N. Sure. Watch him. Get up down the road. So, I'm going to run some taxi today with Franco. So, I could just jump straight into it, my people. I'm so excited about getting my PC forward as well. Alright, so taxi ready. So I could turn on my driveway. As you might see, the police carrying the same way. If it wasn't, I know it's not working, but the police carrying the same way. You just take with that. All the way to ransom. You know the thing go Kingston from Kingston. You see it? So yeah, that's it, the people. So could just pick up the idiot and what you do? So why you crashing at me? Know yourself, you know you. Know yourself. You know, like I said, I not after regular. Another one, yeah, I just do a test run with my laptop. My laptop I play upon. I not play with me on the TV today. So I just have to put on the webcam. On the laptop to get used to being on screen. And I do this. I not make too much eye contact with the thing. I take off my glasses because my glasses reflect back into the thing, so I'm going to take off my glasses. I not do too much eye contact in the camera itself because I concentrate on the game, because I not drive, so I can't drive, so I'm a taxi driver now. So I can see what go on. But that person are there. Drive up, no man.
I need a taxi.
You need to come in, baby.
I've got places to goddamn go.
Alright, so that person want to go down here, so. Oi. Hey, let me know. Hey, let me. I'm gonna come out and kill you. You're in a fault. Watch out. Oh, him crashes, so. You good, dog? Reckless driving. So, while I do the taxi, I'm going to try not to kill nobody unless they try to rob me. You know, so my head hotter than summer in Egypt already. Hot. Oh, look there. Me think it harder to drive even when you drive slow enough than fast enough. But right now, rain fall and the road slippery. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. I don't nobody tell me nothing else. Okay. If you see me keep looking over to my right, it's because my phone over there is on it, light up with me. People text me and something, so on Instagram and YouTube and something. So to drop that person to our destination, I know where she go. Even though she's just like a hippie. Yo, I never come up as her before. I can't remember up as her. Nice view though. View nice. Look at the views. Yo, even though rain and fall, the views look nice here, man. What going on, sir? Hold on, the man, man. Yo, don't let me know. If you let me, I go kill you, no. If you let me, I go kill you. If you let me, I go kill you. That me I tell you. Because don't bully people on the road too much. Feel like you can bully man. Man a bad man.
They feel like you just bully man. Man a bad man.
The little car I drive. Alright, see, so I think I little car fall. Alright. Look, nothing not come. Alright, nothing not come. Little car gone. Alright, so don't rush me up in the lady. Just build enough. Know yourself, you know, man. Me kick you out of this, you know. Me are the driver. Your box it enough for a reason. You can't drive. You're not a driving license. So know yourself. Don't run. Don't get bright. Know yourself. So if you like the little webcam thing where you go on, let me know. Hopefully, one time PC up and running, we can do some real life mods, phone, and some other different things, you know. Get jobs, and anything there. Then better not give me no job in a bank, you know, cause me I got rabbit. You know that. Big up. Ooh! Big up the crew. Big up the crew. Tropics. Big up yourself, girl. I've seen big up yourself, my Dan. Ninja, big up yourself, my bro. Big up on myself. Last episode was wicked. We have more crew things to do. So don't worry on yourself. Don't worry. Don't worry. Split the defense. Boom. Through there. Right, we're gonna fall out in the people and see what going on. Turn on my light from earlier around too. Bright on top now. Bright light. Yo, every day, you know, in the day, at Jamaica drive and everybody drive on bright light. Like, why? Why wanna do it? Afraid. Everybody drive on bright light, like high beam, right? Full beam. No matter how much you flash them, they might drive on high beam. See me. You know if it tappy, you know look good. You know look good. You know look good. Tappy. Ooh, break. Where should I go? Don't tell me that dopey girl again. Alright.
You shit face.
Leave my money? Alright, thanks. Next fear.
How's it looking out there, dispatch?
Perfect timing. I got a customer for you right now.
You can get that one
send
to
something
me.
my way this one. Yeah, alright, don't mess up. Alright, cool. Mikey, watch it in the you.
Looks like you're close.
Hey, sorry,
Don't
I got a
kick in
bill
you.
on that pickup back.
Oh, no.
Oh, hell no!
Your eyeglass. Your eyeglass. Your eyeglass. You shouldn't do that. Your eyeglass. Alright, jump in your car. You see it? You see what eyeglass do? Eyeglass kill you. Officer, no me no. At them perplex me tranquility. Officer. Yo, me can't tell them police are still right now. Not no. That's not no. Me come off of the road. You see? The man riding bike, come my taxi, mash up my taxi, look up my headlight, wouldn't see that. But you see when me kill him though. It's alright man, stay up there until them gone, cause oh god. No police do up there already. Alright? I'm gonna see if no up there too. Go up in a hilltop. They are up on the hillside when the police now go catch me. Ooh. They are up on the hillside when nobody know the fit turn to. Ooh. They are up on the hillside. Hillside that build vibes and knows. How can animal that don't mess up? How can animal out there in the rain? No, them just say animal a while ago. When they? No animal just say what I saw a while ago. Anyway, I'm jump off here, sir. Ooh, let's go.
Anything going, dispatch?
Copy that. I've got someone for you.
Oh
Yeah, this
yeah,
one
I'll
ready.
take that one.
We have this part. Alright, see me thing. Alright, cool.
Perfect. They're right around the corner from you.
Right on the corner. Then the ammunition shop. Make sure you're not going to buy if you come thief me now. I'm saying, brother, look at you. Forward, Dada. Try nothing funny now. You'll be dead. You'll be dead. Less than 3. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that. Oh. Trying to do nothing. You'll be dead in less than 3. That me I tell you. You hear that? Know yourself. Know yourself before you show yourself. I'm telling you. They are up on the hillside. And nobody not deaf. Ooh. That song there, where Chronic last sing. One of my favorite song, you know. They are up on the hillside. Hillside that build vibes and no semi heart clean inside. Rather up on the hillside. When nobody not deaf to turn to. Boy. They are up on the hillside. They decide without friends, nigga. Rather run from wild than friend killer. Rather sleep in a tree where picture put them nest in a than to see people on hey. Rather sleep up on Blue Mountain Peak. We a big ball and go sit down pan bench in ya. Me no Jesus with them want test me for. Draw them want for draw the killer out. We'll see a pencil ya. Alright, let's go. Too much of the song gonna go. Even though it good. Right, crash. Shoot! Wee! Where they lit me? Where they lit me? Where they lit me? Yo, rain can't tap fall now, man. John, man. Cock hurricane season winner. That's not cool. Go to the middle. Yeah. Not the middle, me I go. Not the middle, woo-wee. How far the brother I go? He better not rob me, you know. Anyway, my gun ready for shoot. So, then I think say a water run this. I think say rainwater run this. A gas. You know yourself. You don't see me a turn? We just stop and me kill you. You don't see me a turn a while ago? Eh? Okay, hey boy, know yourself, you know. Or girl, whoever you is, or dog, know yourself. Know yourself. Oh. As you can tell people, I'm my favorite slang that. Know yourself. Where am I go? Where you go, daddy? Oh, yes, sir. Alright. Jump out of my car. Make sure you pay me the dog.
Thanks a lot, man. Good work.
Don't run it now. Oh. Thanks to the money. Thanks to the money. I kinda need it. Man, you go on. Go on now, dada. Go through, man. You're good, man. Go through. Yeah. See, I go pass you now. What was the point of that? You're not going too far, brother.
Any
Dispatch.
jobs I can pick up?
Yeah, for me dispatch.
I got a pickup not too far from you. Sending
Wait
you the
there.
address now.
Yeah, send me
I'm
this,
on it.
brother. Alright, run us up. I bet I him see if I him see
all
me.
yours. You're not far away.
Tiny for somebody running now. Dying for somebody run.
Taxi!
Taxi! Him look like him a run? Nah, I don't think
Let's
him a
go.
run. If him ever run, last run that him ever do. Dead. Let me say, dead. Me need to do some Whoa! That was loud in my ears. What you call that? Sorry, what? Sorry, excuse me. No, sir. Man, call me a bitch. No, dog, that's an insult. Are you? Let me see if I you. Drive out of that. Sorry, the taxi man. Sorry, the passenger, may I come? Oh, you called bitch a while ago. Even if I know you're dead. Come out. Come on. Come on. Oh, you called bitch a while ago.
The little piggies, huh?
I know you then. Man, say I call you little piggies. Alright, cool. The man call them piggies.
We're not there yet. Why have we stopped?
Man say I'm a dick without a dick. Yo, them thieves are wicked boy to me. Look off car door. Left him car. The same place in the road there. See me run? Hey boy. Know yourself. Know yourself. Don't call me them name there. You call me it again? Me a dick without a dick? What you gonna do? Me them gonna repeat what him just said. Me not repeat it. If you don't hear it, you don't hear it. Me not repeat it. Yo, them people are wicked boy. Yeah. If the camera is a bit dark, people, sorry about that. Like I said, just a quick setup. I'm gonna try out a little thing. You see what go on. So I'm just record a video and done. So why not? Why? Oh. Don't let me. My fault that. Sorry, I'm sorry. If you don't notice people, the only light me up on the taxi. At the light where they put on the taxi roof and the brake light. Like that. Like the lick out. Taxi burn up. I'm going to repair it. After that job, I'm going to repair it. Get a new looking taxi. So, which part? Okay. John, we know up on the toll with there. We come from over Portmore, we're up on the toll. Look there. See? The water. Sea water. You know that? Alright. If you live at Kingston and send catching an empty place there and know about the toll, that's how the toll look. So we got a boom now and come off of the toll and we are turn right up to go up on Agley Park. We now go down on Spanish Town Road, so we go up on Agley Park, go up in half a tree. You see it? Straight up there. Up there. Look on the view, man. At the back of the road. What's what people are pushing back after me? Me on a break. Man, where you do? You are driving up on me, sir. Remember, say, Agley Park Road fixed now, people. Look there. Look at it, look good. Look good. Yo, mate. Yo. I like it. Even though at one point, Agley Park never have no road. Business them down, they suffer. Up there. Alright, you might go right. No, left, sorry. You don't even know you're right different for your left. Damn idiot. Where school you go, dog? Holy child out.
That's nonsense. And you should know better.
And they know him right different from him left. That don't make no sense. That look good. Then that hour. Invite me later. How should talk? I must not just attack. I can't me. But me late. Alright. Where the money I go anyway? Where the money I go? I'll tell him I go cheat on his wife? I'll tell this? I'll tell this? What is this? Can I first one go percent now? This is what? Oh. But I know man. Where am I go percent go do? Make you say no way if I go cheat on the brother. Come here somebody say you late. You late for do. Make you see you pay me money to you know. Now go back all the way there, yeah? Kill you. Ram. You know them why they were peak and full fool. So people, if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Big up Jwg Nation, big up on yourself people. Big up all of the new subscribers them are there. We are hold it out, we are talk it out. Welcome to the family. You see me? Big up all of the ladies them we watch, cause I get to realize that all of the ladies watch. Yeah, big up on yourself.
Screw you, man.
Get out. Run out. Oh, thanks for my money. Cheat, need a cheat dollar. Need a cheat bills? That's good. Alright, taxi.
Hey, what you got, dispatch?
Oh,
Yeah,
we should have
call
fixed
just
my
came
car.
in. It's up on your GPS now.
Sure, I can take that.
Go in there. We should have fixed my car first, you know. Where that person go? Hold on.
Copy
Yo,
that. You should only be a block or two
Yo,
away.
cancel that job there. Yo, cancel that job there. Me need to go fix my car or thief an next car. So I think because the spray shop they like so far away, I think I got just thief an next taxi. Yeah, because I need the next taxi, brother, because the taxi not look good to pick up people now. That I make people rob you, and that I make me kill somebody, and that I make police come
New
after me.
pickup. Who wants it? First
I don't want to
come,
pick up,
first
brother.
serve.
Not yet. Let me go thief a car first. Just tell her that I will again, listen. If you want me to hear them, daddy, listen to what me I say to you, daddy. No, you say, ooh. Why you break up this? You can just keep. I don't know how me do it. It's like me say, these are youth where make things so difficult sometimes. Me go one free party free if you go in, and me jump the fence we go in see it. Cause some mistake. Like it's just difficult, bro. Like chill dog. Always enough about me anyway. How is everybody doing today? How is everybody doing? How is everybody day going? You know, is everybody alright? Family alright?
Holy crap!
When I go on so far, I first when I see a taxi with no light. I don't know if you do that, brother. So people instead of
Call just
thieving
came in.
some
Who
of the
wants to
car.
do a pickup right now?
Hold on, we're gonna mess up. Helicopter land. You mean rich and one the fat. I saw wanna live. Alright. Alright. You have license for that? Eh? You have license for that?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, that's it guys.
Eh? Better come park up and say you have license for that? Know yourself. Who you ramp with? Dead! 2 star. Oh, let me go fix my taxi. You know, two star after me just to blow up and let
Just what I need, police.
No police after me, man. Maybe have to blow up that. Me just feel if you blow it, me just feel mischievous. Just want to blow up something like boom. Make it boom. But then what police are there? Oh god, we are there? So quick! We are now. Open. Oh, lose the cops. Oh Oh God, I go dead. I never make it go. Alright, people, so I just lose the police them. I go back in the spray shop. Go spray the carrier. Ooh! Wow! Wait. When you really think I left this? Come on, wanna think I left this? Go in night, you know. Go in night. It lock? No lock. Please don't lock. Please don't be locked. People, look here. Yo, I'm gonna insure this right now in my name. Yo, my one. This a for me. This here a for me. This here a for me with these, brother. Yo. Upgrade.
Now
upgrade.
that's gangster.
Yeah. Upgrade that up. People, don't think I can left this behind? Come on. Come on. It would be rude not to take it. Then left it to me, I upgrade everything. What? People. Yo, I upgrade it. Give me that one there. Yo. The artist thing is, I have the carrier online already. Can I step on it? Yo, this sweet me, dog. This sweet me. I don't have money left. $78,000 I have. Yo, I need to start get some pay, you know. Them need to start paying me some money still, you know. Big man thing, you know. Cause I go. I don't put nothing underneath it yet until I get. So, all the people where I tell myself to get a new car. See it, yeah? New car, people. I go spray it. I go put it in a matte black. Look there. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I gotta change the orange. I like the orange. Change the orange. Match up on there. Yo, look the people. Full black. Boy, them dead. Yo, this is the sickest thing. I know I'm black and yellow. Black and yellow boring right now. The green they look good. Yeah. Yo. People. The skirt good. The skirting good. Spoiler good same way too. Cause at the top spoiler. Yo, the carrier fully equipped up. Transmission supposed to live on. No, I'm not spending 50,000 on that. Good. Yeah, wheel good. No, I'm not a wheeler. Tires. Make sure it's bulletproof.
You'd be surprised how many of those we sell.
Yo, people. Change my wheel type. I don't like the wheel type. Or probably the color I like. Yeah, get that. Yeah. Stock wheels are better than them wheeler. Yo, black out that. But you can't see a wound of this. Yo, exit. In my garage, I can take out a police carrier. No, I don't want a police carrier. Look the people. Look there. Jeez. Oi. Wanna say nothing? Wanna hear nothing? Here? My carry this now. I carry this home and come back on the taxi again. Yo, people, this is the maddest. Watch out. Ready for the road. Ready. Ooh, don't crash. I've got my special ability, man. I crash. I saw me change, I saw me go. Watch it.
My car, asshole.
Yo, look here, look nice, people. Left it in the comment section and let me know if you think this is a good color combination. I like the color, I like it. It looks pretty. How this? Oh, helicopter land again. I don't know more helicopter because last time I go up helicopter, we're going. Police going to go down from beach and I have to lose something. Ooh! Yo, this nice. This nice, people. I like the carrier. I think I will be driving this more until it gone, like the purple one. Because them teeth in purple car now. But my teeth done set it up and them teeth will come. Oh! I'm sorry. Wanna good? You no good? You good? You alright? You alright, Dada? You good? Alright, yeah, man, you're good, man. You're good. Yo, people. We're gonna catch you that way, yeah, man. Lock it down. Yeah, that's it. That's rich. You don't remember saying that? You just say that. Yo, people. I love that carrier. Go through. Where crash I go? Where crash a friend? No, sir. Go through. No, no self. Yo. These are the baddest. I don't know. Try. Whoa. You want me to do that? Wait. Who said that? Look at my ear things. I don't me ear say that a while ago. Me ready now. Tan pan it long, you know. Drink some sassy pearl this morning, you know. Medina, you know. You carry what? Me drink some spirulina this morning, you know. Yes, you know.
Hey, my
Sorry,
whip.
never see that. Don't call somebody old, man. I'll just accident do. Make sure you have insurance to claim it. Because you may not pay for that. And insurance not get my name. Know yourself, you know. Reverse. Wow, sir. You like the car? Let your man and come from here and come try it out. You need to do. Hold me. Me good. Yes, man, me good, man. You good? Don't tell nobody to me thief the car. It's my car now. Oh, what me catch this up? Yo, this bad, that carry up bad. This is the best car I'm keep so far. You need to visit down there so often, you know. People, it's not a thing where if you go down to a certain time of the day, you get good care from this or down. I never expect to go down there, a police car there. Police car, you are no longer needed, sir. Come out. Actually, I can probably keep 2 of them in here, same way. Ready to give back the police and car. Actually, yeah, give back the police and dirty car. The police and dirty car. I don't want this. It's not no use to me. Me get good car now, police. No self. I'm too no. Come on, go down this. Jump in. I can your garage, my fam. Actually, reversing. Watch there, look on the river. Yo, me are the best driver.
Will you keep quiet?
Shut up your mouth, man.
Listen, me can't drive. Reversing, man. Okay, it didn't want me now, come and change the color. With the people, they're this sick. This a whoop say, them don't have no track up on it or nothing. Alright, hold on there. No, yeah, they get to the police car. Come I don't want it really and truly, we don't want it. What me I go do? If want the next one, I can thump up a policeman and get him car. Oh, neighbors have new car. Can I carry this? Let me see if I'm my type. My type, neighbor, my type on the tank.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
May respect you know. Alright, come out of the car. Jump out. Okay, go on. Oh! Alright, just tell that while as you can see, need a taxi. Look on them girl. Ooh, mama. But that, yo, me love so man tight jeans. Alright, heels don't really do make it though. You need some wedge heels or you need something else. Them heels don't make it.
Are you kidding?
Cheap heels.
Totally nailed that audition.
Which audition, Miss Baby? Which audition?
Well, fuck them. That network sucks.
Me attack?
You've got to book me something soon, Jonathan.
Look good. There.
My bad. I apologize.
Roll it, gal. Roll it, gal.
Okay, yeah, bye.
Roll. I'm gonna carry my teeth. Carry. Gal, I can go and talk for your phone. You walk foot. Carry.
What the hell was that?
Come on.
Now stay calm.
Easy. Lick on her face. Come on. No, no, sir. Watch it. Oh, sorry, poor.
My fucking car!
I know what I want to carry, no? This one, yeah?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. I'm saying. Get.
Give me this. Give me this. That's nothing. When I think people carry and attack someone and run for. Like, ever do them something. Nice car though, I don't want it. It's nothing special.
Why you do it, John Croft?
I left it there, so I don't want it. I don't want to carry it. I don't want it. Sorry for thief it. If you move this so I can see me taxing now. Alright, my taxi up on the way. Taxi supposed to be there any second now. I don't see it. Come on, taxi, wait there. Where you there? Oh, sit here. Okay, I take the one. Even if I'm not filming, I take it, which I don't have me anyway. Jump out. I take a job. Come on. I'm here. I'm pitting for feet too. Lock your door.
Hey, look out for fools like me.
Oh, police. Got left them. One star now. Watch it, no, man. Wanna watch it, man. Wanna crash that. Wanna watch it, man. Don't stop right there, so no, man. We lick it down. No move, man.
Shit.
No move, man.
Jesus Christ!
No move. Lick down the stoplight. No can't cross again. Go cross somewhere else. Now walk like say you have. Sure. One light already. Oh, me have one light already, man. One star see me. Why? Could look for me and drive on him. Put on some of my driving skill. Then know I'm a drive. No, sir. Watch it.
Like no. Shadow break, no? Shadow break. Hey, tap. Oh, blood clot.
Something don't feel too good.
It's Rex.
Kids. I just say when I'm in a car, on the rear on the seatbelt. When I'm on the parents, I carry out in a car. If I'm in a taxi, we're on a seatbelt. That is what happened when they're down wearing a seatbelt here. So wearing a seatbelt, it'll be much better off and much safer here. Just a word of advice, take my foolish advice, wearing a seatbelt. Because I go chip up and I go rub out and I go white. Yeah.
Who's free for pickup?
Pick up. Alright, you might pick up.
You can get that one to me.
Copy
Yeah,
that.
call BJ.
Should only be a block or two away.
I'm here chat to.
Hey, what's up?
I'm a broken nose, man. Head buck in your field. Broke nose. Know yourself. Who want taxi? One on and on. I not care more than one on and on.
You know I've been looking for a job all
Nah,
day.
more than one on. Come in. Kill one on.
Let's go.
Hey, I'm telling this too. You see the rule of the taxi?
That high and mighty shit.
If we're not going to go to the city, I'm not going to let you know halfway. I'm not go so far with it. I'm not doing it. People, if you not enjoy the episode, yeah, leave a like. If you like the car a while ago, when we just buy, no. When we just take, no. When we just thief, leave a like on the video. If you like the color, leave a like. You don't know. If you like this way of me playing where you can see my face, leave a like. This is just a test. Like I said, this is not my real camera. I just my webcam. This way on my laptop. Come and play on my laptop. So I say I may try it out on my laptop and see what can go on. So if you like what go on, let me know. Hear that. But yeah, why me keep looking over this? So the guy where I met my PC just sent me some picture of the PC. PC finishing, just wait for one part to come. So it's set to come tomorrow, which is tomorrow's what, Thursday, the 25th. Yeah, 25th. So if you watch this on Saturday or something, get my laptop. And I'm gonna get my PC already. PC set up already, so yeah. But like I say, if you see me miss a couple of days of not recording, that's because me I get used to my PC. I set it up and things. So don't worry on yourself, I will be back. in full effect. But I have video anyway, I have videos to post, so I'm good to see, man. I want to say, really, I got there, see, man. But it's just the editing, like, you know. But yeah, I try my best, but it worth it. Even if I miss a week, it's not gonna worth it. Trust me, people, come on, set up everything right. Do everything right, and start playing with more webcam. Obviously, this face here, where you see, so I'm looking rough. Come from work, I'm not beard yet. I'm beard things. So normally, just let me try and just get away with it. Normally, I look better than this.
I don't want to live on this planet anymore.
The girls them attack. The girls them. I know when a man come to me down. Yeah, fucking no, the douchebag. You hear me? Hold on, dog. Where you call me a while ago? No, me hear you say douchebag.
Hey, what the fuck, man?
What? Where you call me a while ago? Come here. Come here. Oh, you talk to boy? Hmm? You call douchebag? Brighty? Me? Don't do that. Don't do that. You come out of my taxi and pay me, I'm gonna call me douchebag. Know yourself. Money, give me money. You will give me some more money. You owe me. Before me come. $10 more. Thanks. You're welcome. Say good night. You got your bed. Let me on nobody call the police for me night, you know. Taxi, yeah, taxi is here. I don't want to go too far out of the city. I want to bring me up a sort. Like, oh, I'm doing the virgin. This part.
Let me know if you got a pickup for me.
Yeah, call just came in.
Which part?
It's up on your GPS now.
I got it.
If them go far dispatch, me not carry them now. Which part of the person here then? Oh god. Them go back out of the city.
Good. Looks like you're close.
More see in the city, people. More see in the city. Me no want go to the city. Out the city boring, man. More see in the city where action there. Where the girl them a walk, I love them. Yeah, I love the girl them a walk and them tight clothes and them heels. Yes, even though them ignore me, them on them phone. Know yourself, you know. No beat no one after me, no boy. Know yourself. Know yourself. You say. People also make sure you follow me on Instagram.
Man, you hit me.
I go live and interact with the people them very often. They can tell you. So go over there, so go follow the page, official page. Big up yourself, big up the whole of you. My respect and rate to you. For the support to me and get you say. For those people who ask for Officer Brown soon forward back. For those people who ask for Killer soon forward back. Just no one self.
Taxi!
Hey baby, where you go? If you're far you go, I'm sorry, but I'm not carry you. Where you go? No, I'm not go. Come on. Come out of my car. Come out of my car, lady. I'm not go, sir. I'm not going up there, sir. Make sure carry on pace with it when nobody can see and take you out. Come out. Get out. Get out, man. Alright. Get out.
Hello? What's this?
Get
what
out.
The hell? What are you doing?
Out. Yeah, me not carry you. Me not kill you, but me not carry you. Sorry. Yeah, me not carry you. Sorry. Yeah, you go too far, mama.
How's it looking out there, dispatch?
This is dispatch. I got a job going right now.
Yeah, I got that.
Wait there. Don't go far there. Why them people love that? Like, me not got Mr. Dispatch.
Thanks, driver. Location should be up on your GPS.
No, Dispatch. Me not got Mr. Sorry. Me go out down in the city. I like me say I don't get someone stay. Me don't want to come up as a bridge. What I'm doing, no deaf or what? No listen to people or what? Long time I don't do the taxi episode. So for those people who are new to the channel, this series is called Yaad Cab.
I need a driver for pickup
so I think this will be Yaad Cab Part 3. Yeah. I have a few series that go on. I have Yaad Cab, I have Franklin Stories, I have City Patrol, and I have Officer Brown now. So yeah, that's about what, 4 or 5 series, 4 series. Watch out. Nah crash. Oh, baby, miss sorry!
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My chest is going.
What you got, dispatch?
Guy just canceled on me, so there's a job near you right now.
Dispatch, I really send me job on my car, look, sir. Who they really want to come like this? People.
Okay, all yours.
Let me ask you a question. If on stranded out on the road, say 11, 12 o'clock at night, say like a Wednesday night then, or a Friday night, no, not Friday night, a Friday night live. If you're stranded on the road like a Wednesday, Thursday night and see that cab you pull up and say, yo, come in. Only that go in there? That one, answer me this up. Would you guys go in this cab?
Taxi!
Especially if him drive on the sidewalk and come pick you up like this. Only that go in there?
Get moving!
Where you go? Yeah, me go up with some, but I'm not going to further than that. That one, no. Only that really... No, brother, I'm not do that. Come to the game, man. Things with the man, I tell them, hey. Depressing, dog. Not fight up on the road tonight, though. Because them outside. Now they get them. Okay, alright. But one more I know, if only that going on one taxi looking like this, if you don't see it, on the stranded on the road. Me know me not going there, you know. Me not going there. Because, number one, why your car stay so? Why it mash up so? Number second, why you out here so this time of night I pick up people I say a taxi and nobody don't know you. Killer, you killer dog. Me not going there with you. God go with you. Me not go. Nah do it. Nah do it. Love my life too much. Going at that. Go up there. Up there. At least rain stop fall. At least the night finish. Hey! Wait, the man is look on the deer. Yeah, beat, but you're the fast, you know? Watch it.
Thanks.
Gone, you know? Thanks for the money, dog. What? Where you going to do? Where can I go? Look, where can I go, brother? I can go buy some fruit. You know? You know where my fan fee, man, you know, daddy? From man. That episode is quite a long episode in the people. So make sure you not enjoy the episode. And my first episode is with the webcam, like I tell you now. So make sure you not enjoy that episode, yeah. Let me know if you don't like it. If you don't like it, subscribe to it if you don't subscribe yet. You know? Alright, I go back down in the city now. I go back down in the... Alright, hold on. Let me do something. I'm going to get up. I'm well want somebody rob me because I well want to kill somebody. Me well want to kill a boy. No. None of me at all. I must the person when you carry with you. None of me. I can't. So I just keep it straight. And everything fake real.
Hey, you got off lucky, homie.
Me outside in the street, anything can go on, a man can get frustrated and stab me and tell me say sorry after me dead, and then he come on my funeral and ask me if I'm alright. That now go on. Because if you kill me and come on my funeral, I go kill you back and go to your funeral.
I'm sorry. It's that funny, right? I mean, what?
Alright, that don't make sense. Alright. Yo, I was gonna say I'm driving good, but I don't want to jinx it.
Call just came in. Who wants to do a pickup right now?
I don't want to pick up that. I'm going to go down in the ghetto first and see if I can get one of them bad boys that jump like cab. I know I'm going to kill a man tonight or this morning. Long time I don't kill a man, so I circle the means like the better man. Letter man. Where the grabber at, him hot like Shabba Motherpot. Shot by every man a cap. We run the sun, everybody jump. Helicopter again. Helicopter there. plane that, brother, and helicopter that right there. Helicopter shine light. How are going? Hold on, something going, people. Oh, this helicopter shine light. Something going. I could go investigate. Hold on, I could go investigate this. What do I look for? What do I look for? You can't come and get a shine light, so you know. No, we dead enough. Man, I'm here attack. Who the police are shine light after though? When I shine light, you're gonna suffer, brother.
Anybody out there good for pickup?
Yeah, me do the
You can get that one to me.
Cause them police are high class. Them is a waste taxpayer money, gas money. Oh, them boy, them the red.
Copy that. You should only be a block or two away.
Police outside, police out I get away the helicopter, shine at ground. So them stay and them not go up in a rich area, go do that, you know. Them not do it because everybody abuse themselves. By 8 o'clock, everybody do a lock up top. Police after something, man. Chopper, there's something going on. I'm after something. Who will me pick up?
Taxi!
Taxi! Jump in that cab. Hurry up, cool. Come change my mind. Where you go?
Oh, you with the dog!
Top your nice. Where you from? Where you from? Where you say? Where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Where you there? Where you from? Where you from? Him there. Where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Not busy where you come from.
We're not there yet. Why have we
stopped? Where you come from? Oh, police helicopter after me? No, you're safe, man. Let's go and sit like back a taxi, man. Man, I tell me, boy, where you come from. Me no business where you come from. I have a gun for me. Where your gun there? You have a gun? Oh, where you want to go home? Go back which way you come from? Get your gun. Come back and kill me? Look, you have my gun. No, you got dead. D-E-D dead. D-E-D dead. My ramp. We don't ramp with people, boy. You know where we come from. Know yourself. Ooh. Okay. Dear Lord. I don't feel that money I go pay me the money, but if you don't pay me, I understand. So I don't kill him. I know say, yo, I get the police after me and them thing there, and it's not fair for him. If you don't pay me, I go kill him.
What's wrong with you?
Rob me. If I still I go kill him, in no business. I don't care. I go kill him. Pay me my money. Or if you don't want dead, pay me my money. Try rob me and see what go on. Dead. D-E-D. Just ease yourself and relax, man. I tell you, I'm going to carry where you go, man. In style. Don't jump off, you know. I carry where you go in style. See? Tell you? In style. In style, dada. Know yourself. So, I'm good. I'm glad. Say, police them gone. Me glad too. I'm carry my destination and see if him pay me. If he don't pay me, I'm going to kill him. I'm in the mood for killing. For killing. Watch your truck, man. Know yourself. Like you want to come cut me off. Me go. Yep. Go on there. Is that the wrong turn? Okay. Truck, man. Okay. Truck, man. Not come over here. Come on, taxi, man. I'm not care people in there. Oh! Couldn't break. Hey, girl. Come out of that. Reverse. Back up. Go down the other way. Go down this man and go on where you go.
We're not there yet. Why have we stopped?
Big idiot. Go down this way. Yeah.
No way.
Go on this way. I say go on there. Go on there. Yeah, go on there. May not drive on the same road. Where? Know yourself. Move. I'm here. No, I'm here. I run this. I never know. Ask the public. Ask the bus to just pass. I run the streets. Where you cast the brother? Hope say good enough. You're no doctor. I'm not pick you up. So if you like the content, people, please don't forget to like the video. Not my comment when we comment all well and I think like the video and say click the thumbs up on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new.
Fucking douchebag.
You hear me? Okay. You're lucky. That me I tell you. Alright people, so me dey close to my house. So me I go up and me I go see what I go on.
Watch out, man!
What's the next guy now? Can't carry a taxi there home now, sir. Me can't live in a rich neighborhood and I carry them that nope. Push! Jump out! OUT! OUT man. Before you DPD. Hey! Know yourself. Know yourself. Oh, why?
Whoa! There's a car right here!
Santa Mare! Crashing and me kill you. You don't know how we are ramp with. Come here.
Too late for surgery.
Too late for surgery. Yeah, try to say, them ugly. Yeah. Too late for surgery. People don't see like that already. Hold your one. Pass me through. Cabby, have a good shift here. Yeah, daddy. Have a good shift. Yeah, dad. Yeah, yo, I hear them 2020 whining away the road there, see, man. Watch out. Someone have to know when the bin man come up as cause outside everybody else must see bin same way. Like every day, look there, every day a bin. Look there. Every day a bin. Like when the bin man them come boy, that one when the bin man them come. I don't know what I go on boy. No, I want a nice Porsche. I want it still. I want a Porsche. I put it coming out the road. So that can stay up as well. Read the person to park. Stay up as well. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Neighbor them. Hey, how so much car the neighbor them have? Neighbor them have new car again. Look there. You know, I don't really like that one there. Some men have a teeth it still. I don't want it. I don't want it. Watch out. Machine! 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 Look at people! Yo, this bad. If people, if you like this, leave a like on this. Yeah. So people, this is where I'm going to end the video. It has been real. It has been me on camera for the first time. So if you don't like the episode, please leave a like on the episode. If you don't rate that style of video in here, when you can see my face, let me know also, because I can do more of that on the PC are forward, which I'm very excited about. The man text me again and said the PC is something about the PC. I never read it. But people, please also make sure you go over the Instagram. They're on the screen right now. Go over there, go subscribe. Not subscribe, follow the page, yeah, and interact with me over there. So you understand? So people, big up on yourself, like back up on shelf. If you can't be good, be lucky, and if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing. You hear that? So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.